So let's take a look at the operating modes in Scoutly. So we have 4 different modes. We have, in order, database only, database plus live on not found, database plus live on not found, or by, and live mode. So going through these, starting at the top again, the database is exactly what you would assume. It's if you download the database, it will only use that. It's lickety split, super quick, and it is great if you have 0 cell service and you just need to scan books. If the book isn't in the database, unfortunately it won't come up. It'll say it's unavailable, but you have to kind of work with your surroundings, and if you have no cell service, that's all you've got anyway, so you got to make it work. So the NF is actually the one I use the most, and it is database first, and if the book cannot be found in the database, then it will do a live search. So this is super handy if, like I just said, you're somewhere and maybe you have limited internet, or you do have internet, you're still scanning super quick with that database mode if it's in the database, but if it's not, then it will go ahead and do a live search, and that's helpful to see the most up-to-date information on that book. So the MR is actually the same thing as NF, except if the book is deemed buyable by your settings, it will go ahead and do a live search to give you all the updated information at that current moment so that you can make the best buying decision. And then live only is exactly what you would assume. It only does live searches. It's probably the slowest option on this because it requires internet connection and it has to go ahead and search every single time you scan a book, which I don't recommend because, I'm trying to scan these books fast and I'm trying to be done faster than everyone else. So, like I said, I stick with that NF mode and database mode if I really need to, and if I have no internet connection.